What if I told you the same psychology that makes people desire sex is the exact psychology that makes them buy products? If you want to increase your sales and have better relationships, steal these 21 sexy lessons. 84% of business owners struggle to satisfy their potential clients during the interaction, while about 16% are able to fully satisfy the desires of their prospects consistently. If you want to be part of that 16%, apply those 21 sex lessons to your sales process. Number 1. Just like sex, sales should feel good. Number 2. Pushing more doesn't mean it's better. Number 3. Never pressure the other person. Number 4. Be creative in your approach. Otherwise, you will be like everyone else. Stay unique. Number 5. The more you practice, the better you get. Number 6. Size matters as much as price. Not a lot when the offer is right. Number 7. Saying you are good doesn't make you good. Prove it. Number 8. Listen actively to the needs of the other person. Always lead conversations with empathy. Number 9. I like people who like me, and I like to work with prospects who like me. Number 10. Open, clear, and direct communication from the start is very important. Number 11. Don't do things you don't want to do just to please your clients. Number 12. Your reputation is the only thing you will never buy with money. Number 13. Sometimes closing on the first call isn't possible. Be patient, not pushy. Number 14. Detach yourself from the outcome, because sometimes he or she is not the right person for you. Number 15. There are other leads out there. Losing one lead doesn't mean the end of the world. Number 16. Most people don't care about words or even actions, but about the general overwhelming feeling and energy. Number 17. A sure way to impress them is to always give more than you take. Number 18. Treat both sales and sex like an art form, with respect. Number 19. You eliminate your fears by facing them. Step into the sales scene. Number 20. This is an attention test. If you read this, comment 20 is the best to win a medal. Number 21. Everything is better when you do it with love.